Hello there people, I hope you are doing well and safe. So Apple today released the final build of iOS 14.2. I had the released candidate since last Thursday or Friday, I'm sorry. And the build number, and I will show you that, it was a final build number, okay? But now, and I will show you right away, the number is it's a little bit different. But what was strange is, since I had the release candidate, I wasn't expecting that the update appeared on my phone. But either way, it did, and let's go ahead. We are talking about, let me check here. Yeah, we are talking about 3.82 gigs, okay, and a brief explanation on what iOS 14 is. Of course, you can expect here 100 emojis, the new wallpapers and everything, and we'll check in this video every feature, and we will see if there is anything new. Now, the build number for this release, the other one, okay, the release candidate was the 18B91, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead here. About general, let's go to about, and the build number for this release, guys, is the, I hope you can see it, is the 18B92. So the other one was the 91, this is the 92, okay? So Apple in fact did something here, okay, and we'll go through, you know, and see if you can find something different from the release candidate. Now let me just, sorry, so everything here seems to be the same thing, okay? No, let's go to the wallpapers. They released 8 new wallpapers. Let's go first to the dynamics. No dynamics. Let's go to the lives. Nothing. And on the stills there are, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the same wallpapers, okay guys? So this is the same that we had on the release candidate, nothing new here. Now let's check here if YouTube, let's go to my channel. Okay, this is the last video, and let's see if YouTube on Safari allows us the picture-in-picture. No, as you can see, if I go here, play full screen, let's do it again, and I'll click the home button and let's check. It appears there and then disappears immediately. So no picture-in-picture for YouTube yet, okay? Let's hope that Google and YouTube fixes that, because we as iOS users also see and watch plenty of YouTube videos, and why not have that picture-in-picture mode enabled, because we have it here. If I go, let me check here. No, if I go here to the general and picture-in-picture, it is enabled, okay? Now you have the ability also, and I told this on the last video, of on the control center, the music recognition, okay guys? So you have that possibility. Now it is enabled. I have here also the magnifier. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it seems to be okay. Keep in mind, guys, this is an iPhone 8. I didn't told you, sorry about the lamp. This is the iPhone 8, my trusty phone, and for now I don't have the need to buy a new one, okay? I also have their iPhone SE, and I will put that this iOS 14.2 also on that phone and see how it performs. But let's see if there is any lag here, let's open some web pages, App Store, see how much time it takes. Okay, let's click. Very well, take it, let's go. Seems okay. Let's open here, I don't know, let's go to Netflix. Sorry, I'm out of frame, so let's click here on my name. Yeah, seems to be okay also. Let's click on Spotify, see if there is any crash. No, I think this will crash. Yeah, this is still crashing. Of course, I don't know, it's not because of iOS 14.2, it's because of the developer that didn't update yet the application. So everything seems to be okay. Let's see here, edit home screen, if we have anything new. No, everything seems it is the same. Yeah, everything is the same. No, I don't want any widgets. Okay, let's go here. By the way, guys, the battery life in these 5 days was perfect for me. Okay, I'm not always with the phone on my hands, but it lasts a day of normal usage. Okay, now there isn't anything new here. No. By the way, guys, if you want to see more videos, more contents like this, and also on my Mac that is over there, I just installed also the release candidate for macOS 11.0.1, and I'll make a video after this one on the new things. If you want, guys, to help the channel, to grow the channel, go ahead and click on that like and that subscribe button. There isn't, if you like this kind of content, of course. Now, guys, I think let's perform here a Geekbench. I have the history. This is Geekbench 4, okay? So let's perform here a Geekbench to see how this iPhone, as you can see, this is the iPhone 8 over there. I hope it is in focus, okay? Now let's perform here a CPU benchmark. Let's start and I'll be right back, okay? Very well, guys, the results are in. As you can see, it was performed today, the 5th of November, okay? And these are the results: single core 4252, and on the multi-core 10,207. Now let's go to the history and see the CPU, and on the release candidate that was on the 30th of October, these were the results. Okay, so they are a little bit higher. Let's go ahead again to history. They're a little, but then again, I just installed, so let's go here. Yeah, they are a little bit higher, not on the single core, but on the multi-core they are. But of course, perhaps the phone is yet, performing something because it is hot. But these are the results, guys, okay? Now let's go here and see if everything runs well. Yeah, no issues, guys. Let's see, because I think it is the unlock of the phone was a little bit, slow. So let's raise it and let's, now let's forget the raise. Let's click it. So this is it. It is a little bit slower. This iOS 14.2 that I had on the iOS 14.1. But then again, the phone, I'm recording at 60p, and as you can see, there isn't, nothing major here. Nothing. Let's 3D touch. Yeah, everything seems to be working okay. So guys, this is a first look. I'll make a video, of course, on the battery, how it is. As you can see, this is a different build from the released candidate. Everything seems to be the same, okay? But in 1, 2 days, 3 days maximum, I'll release a video about if I discovered anything new. And of course, the thing that most people are concerned is battery life. By the way, guys, the battery life on this iPhone is I will show you, and honestly it lasts me a day, okay, and it is at 85%. I hope this camera, it is at 85%, and I already had, you know, unexpected shutdown, and I disabled that because I want peak performance. But then again, the phone is running okay with no issues at all. So guys, go ahead, it is available for everyone, and you have lots of new features, okay? So I hope you like it, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.